Ahead of the next strong cold front, we actually have a cut of low weather system that's going to slide over the southwestern coast throughout Wednesday, bringing isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms to the Cape provinces. So here's your forecast. A few storms already moving over our neighbouring country and Namaqualand on Tuesday, overnight into Wednesday, moving in a southeastwards direction throughout Wednesday, spreading over the northern, later parts of the eastern as well as the western Cape. It's a mainly dry Wednesday for the east with only drizzle possible along the eastern escarpment. Most of the rain expected here in the west, isolated showers at first moving over the southern areas of Namibia as well as Namaqualand. Then a few thunderstorms developing over the northern Cape. The storms will move in from the northwest and then becoming scattered over the Karoo as well as parts of the escarpment. In those areas, if a few storms become severe, they might result in large amounts of small hail. So if the sky turns black, rather get your car under covering. The storms will mainly miss the Overberg and into the evening move over parts of the southern coast as well as the eastern Cape. It's going to be cloudy here in the Western Cape and remaining quite a cool afternoon with only 16 degrees in Langebaan. Thunderstorms later reaching parts of the West Coast district and a slight chance of a quick storm moving over Cape Town, and also very isolated storms will into the evening reach parts of the Winelands. Most of the storms will move here over Beaufort West as well as parts of the Karoo. A northwesterly wind picking up ahead of the storms. The storms will come in from the northwest and then later move over the northern areas of the Eastern Cape into the evening, spreading over Kumani Bishu, and then very late a few storms likely to move over East London and surrounding areas. In KwaZulu-Natal, we're expecting a northeasterly wind to blow fresh, mainly offshore, but otherwise a mainly sunny afternoon, some cloud at first over the northern areas with a high of 27 degrees in Pietermaritzburg, 25 in Ladysmith as well as Newcastle. Lots of cloud, especially in the morning in parts of Mpumalanga, a few foggy patches, later 18 in Ermelo and only peaking at also 18 degrees in Bombela. In Limpopo, also cloudy conditions the morning. We're expecting some drizzle in the vicinity of Zenith. 21 degrees the afternoon, a few degrees warmer in Polokwane with also a high of 21. A northerly wind will blow moderate to fresh at times in northwest with maximum temperatures actually peaking already in the mid-20s. It's going to be a windy day over the extreme northeastern areas of the Northern Cape in the vicinity of Postmasburg, gusting winds at times, and then thunderstorms moving in from Namaqualand, moving over the central areas and becoming scattered over the southern part. Into the evening, a few storms reaching the far western areas of the Free State, but it's cold at first in the east and slightly warmer in Bloemfontein with a high of 22 degrees. In the morning, a low of 7 degrees in Johannesburg, a cloud at first and then later becoming mainly sunny and northerly wind blowing, temperatures above 20. Overnight into Thursday, a few isolated storms left over in the Free State and the Eastern Cape before the cut of low gets pushed away by this strong cold front expected to reach the Western Cape on Friday, where we are expecting isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms and a steep drop in temperature. Ahead of this strong cold front, lots of sunshine and warming up nicely across South Africa. Enjoy the sunny weather before we're expecting the next cold blast this weekend. Well, that's all from me, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.